Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice bird in this frame. So you can see the canvas here, the white background. Now we're going to draw the outlines for the birds. So starting from the top, so usually we start from the head, and you can see the round shape, and it has a longer neck. So necklines is going to be like these types of longer, and it has a little bit curve here. So let's make it a little bit darker. All right, all right, and another one parallel to the previous one, little bit parallel. So the necklines is getting like this one. So usually the head on looks like this, these types of bars. Okay, putting the shades here. Okay, all right, darker shades. And the body, it's a little bit extended from the bottom size here, and also again gets extended here. And here you can see a little bit curve. Okay, so it's like a upward, you can see upward, going upward directions, so half circle to the upward. And in the back side you have, it has few feathers. And for the the wings, the left wings, it's like extended, just it's going to fly in the sky. So draw like this one and extend it, so the wings is going to be a little bit larger. Okay, okay, so lots of the parallel designs for the long feathers, which is in the back of the wings. So draw each of the lines with the pencil. Okay, and little bit details here. Okay, little bit details. All right. And in the bottom here, the small feathers, you can see the appearances of the small feathers. There's a special versions of designs, and you can see other feathers here. So this portion is almost done. For the right wings, it's just a little bit extended to the front directions. Okay, so that's coming from like this one and coming up to here, and curved line comes here. So I just draw the outlines. Now I'm going to put it a depth. You can see the depth here. All right, and with the depth you can see it's extended upward. Okay, and again I'm just drawing the long feathers. You can see lots of long feathers. And you can see the drawings of the small feathers at the bottom of the end lines. Okay, so the details and few designs of the small feathers you can see here. Okay, all right. You can see the dark shades at the bottom of the heron, and here you can have a you can see the starting of the legs here. So here finished the body. Here. Okay, now you can use the 6B pencils for more efficient drawings. Just put a straight lines here. So you can see the long beak here. So there's the drawings for the birds, the long beaks you can see. All right. So for the better convenience, sometimes you have to adjust the depth and use the eraser. That's a part of the drawing. So it's going to be a thinner, not the thicker, going to be the thinner outlines. Okay. For the legs, just drawing the legs here, little bit extended. And it's just going to the bottom, the longer legs you can see to the water, and another leg just extended to the back, and just coming forward. Okay, forward with this one, like this one. Okay, so there's the basic designs for the birds, and you can use the pencils again. That one, the thicker pencil, put some strokes here like to show the water, usually the marshland or the land which has a little bit water, and some you can see the grasses which grows usually in the water. That's the part of the drawing. Okay. Putting the shades in the bottom and just making the outlines for the drawings. So that's it. I hope it's a very nice and simple drawing, you like it, and please subscribe the channel, do practice at home. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.